Just to answer your question, Rahul Gupta, my old students will answer it. In case if anybody has completed prime numbers module, there are 237 ways to check whether a number is a right prime number or not. Next one, key point number 4. Key point number 4. Please write down. How to find the approximate value. How to find the approximate value of a non-perfect cube. How to find the approximate value of a non-perfect cube. Same perfect square root, how we did it, same thing. How to find the approximate value of a non-perfect cube. Cube the root of 13 we have to do. This is nothing but 13 power 1 by 3. 1 plus x power n is nothing but 1 plus nc1x plus nc2x square and so on, approximated to 1 plus nx. 1 plus x power n is approximated to 1 plus nx. What is the nearest cube for 13? 8 plus 5 power 1 by 3. This is 8. 1 plus 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. 8 power 1 by 3 is out. 2 into 1 plus 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. 1 plus x power n is approximated to 1 plus nx. 2 into 1 plus 5 by 24. So this is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 0.2. So 2.2 approximately cube the root. I hope it is clear. Cube the root of 13. 13 power 1 by 3. 8 plus 5 power 1 by 3. 8 out. 1 plus 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. 2 into 1 plus 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. 2 into 1 plus 5 by 24. Answer is closer to 2.2. Answer is closer to 2.2. One more question. One more question. 2.2. It is better if you go to the next step also, sir. Otherwise the value will be little far. The value will be little far. So this 2 into 1 plus, you will get around 10 point something. So 1 plus 5 by 24 plus 1 by 3 plus, I hope it is clear, right? 8 plus 5 power 1 by 3. So 1 plus 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. So this you take it as, here only we can stop, other unnecessarily. You will get cube the root of 13 is 13 power 1 by 3. 13 is 8 plus 5 power 1 by 3. 8 common, 1 plus 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. It is 2 into 1 plus 5 by 8 power 1 by 3. 1 plus x power n expansion, try to use it. 1 plus x power n expansion, try to use it. I hope the idea is clear. This is something which you don't need it, right? Just out of curiosity I am telling it. Even if you do 2.2 whole square in the previous, you will get 10.648. 10.648. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. Cube the root of 67. 67 is, just to get an idea, sir. 67 power 1 by 3. 64 plus 3 power 1 by 3. These 64 into 1 plus 3 by 64 power 1 by 3. These already over. 4 into 1 plus 3 by 64 power 1 by 3. Use this expansion when the n is a fraction. Use this expansion. I hope you got the idea, right? Next one. So cube also we did so many of the logics. Idea is to find out the nearest perfect cube for this number. Nearest perfect cube for this number. I hope the idea is clear. Key point number 5. Please write down. Key point number 5. Key point number 5. Problems based on multiplication. Problems based on multiplication. Problems based on multiplication. Problems based on multiplication. Type 1. Type 1. General multiplication. General multiplication. General multiplication. Suppose for example 731 into 59 is there. 59 can be written as 60 minus 1. So 0, 0. 43860 minus 731. 10 minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 0. Right? For 731, 0, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 4380 minus 731. Whatever the answer that you get, that itself is the answer. Right? Now, 43129. This is the answer. In case if you want a unique approach, how Hungarian people do this multiplication, diagonal method. See here, please don't use it if you find this method to be cumbersome. 731 into 59. Step number 1. 731. Make a matrix of size m into n. M into n. M is the number of digits. M is the number of digits in 731 and n is the number of digits in 59. N is the number of digits in 59. Listen carefully. I will do two examples. 731. This is how Hungarian people do multiplication. Hungarian methodology. Hungarian methodology. Hungarians are considered to be some of the smartest people in terms of mathematical subject. 731 into 59. See here. 731 into 59. These are nothing but one by one I am doing. Develop a matrix of sizes m into n. M into n. Join diagonals. Join diagonals. Join diagonals. Join diagonals. 1 5s are 5. 5 is a single digit, prefix is 0. 5 3s are 15, 1 and 5. 5 7s are 35, 3 and 5. 9 1s are 9, 0 and 9. 9 3s are 27, 2 and 7. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Now come diagonal by diagonal. This is the very famous diagonal method, sir. This is the very famous diagonal method. What is this diagonal method? Go from bottom to top. Go from bottom to top. Now how it is? First take this one. The value is 9. Then take this one. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2, 1 carried. Then take these diagonal. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 1. 1 carry here. Then take this one. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carried, which is 4, 3, 1, 2, 9. I hope it is clear. Diagonal by diagonal. They start from here. Start from here and end here. Go diagonal by diagonal. One more example will solve. It will be very clear. 731 into 59. Develop a matrix of size m into n. Join diagonals. So 5 7s are 35. 3 above 5 below. 15. 1 above 5 below. 5 1s are 5. 0 above 5 below. 63. 6 above 3 below. There cannot be greater than 2 digit. That is possible because single digit maximum is 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 3s are 27. 9 1s are 9. I hope it is clear. One more example will solve. Then it will be crystal clear to you. 378 into 267. 378 into 267. Diagonal multiplication. Diagonal multiplication. Now see here, sir. Diagonal multiplication. Go slow. Diagonal multiplication. These 3, these 7, and it is 8. 2, and it is 6, and it is 7. Develop a matrix of size m into n. Join the diagonals. Join the diagonals. Join the diagonals. Join the diagonals. I hope it is clear. Now go one by one. If I go one by one, these 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 6 3s are 18, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Go from bottom to top diagonal by diagonal. This value is nothing but 6. This value is 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 8, 22. 2 carried. 3, 7, 9, 13, 19, 9, 1 carried. 3, 11, 15, 19, 20, 0, 2 carried. 3, 9, 10, 0, 1 carried. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 double 0, 926. I hope it is clear. I hope diagonal multiplication or an Hungarian way. It is also called as the matrix method. It is also called the matrix method because we are developing a matrix. It is also called as an Hungarian way of multiplication. Hungarian way of multiplication. Hungarian way of multiplication. I hope the idea is clear. Hungarian way of multiplication. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. Practice. If you find comfortable, take this logic. If you find comfortable, take this logic. Take this logic. Right? I hope it is clear how to do multiplication. Next. Type 2. Type 2. Multiplication of numbers with 5 power k. Multiplication of numbers with 5 power k. 5, 25, 125 and so on. Multiplication of numbers with 5 power k. First one, 67 into 68 into 5. 68 into 5, which is nothing but 68 into 10 by 2, which is nothing but 340. So 5 power 1 is nothing but 10 by 2. 5 square, it is nothing but 100 by 4. 5 cube, 125, it is nothing but 1000 by 8. 5 power 4, it is nothing but, so 5 power 4, it is nothing but 5000 by 8. 5000 by 8. Suppose if it is 124 into 25, which is nothing but 124 into 100 by 4. 125, which is nothing but 3100. 3100. I hope it is clear. 3100. Suppose if it is 13 into 5, what we will do? 13 into 10 by 2. So which is nothing but 6.5 into 10, which is 65. So what we are doing? 13 by 2 is 6.5, multiplying it by 10. Suppose 97 into 100 by 4. 97 into 24. 97 into 25 is there. 97 into 25 is 97 into 100 by 4. 4 24s are 96.25 into 100. I hope it is clear. 24. So, this is the logic, sir. 5 means 10 by 2. 5 square means 100 by 4. 5 cube means 1000 by 8. 5 power 4 means 5000 by 8. So, x into 5 power k is nothing but x into 10 power k divided by 2 power k. Please write down this logic. 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. 5 square is 10 square by 2 square. 5 cube is 10 cube by 2 cube. I hope the idea is clear. Multiplication of numbers with 5 power k. Multiplication of numbers with 5 power k. Odd also nothing will happen, just moving the decimal value. Moving the decimal value. Next one, type number 3. Type number 3. How to multiply numbers by? How to multiply numbers by series of nines? Please write down. How to multiply numbers by series of nines? 5 to 6 examples which we will take. How to multiply numbers by series of nines? 234 into 99. Method number 1. 234 into 100 minus 1. If you are comfortable, please go ahead. If you are comfortable, go ahead. In case if you are good in subtraction, please use this concept. In case if you are good in subtraction, please use this. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. 9's complement approach. Method 2. 9's complement approach. What is this approach? We will see. 9's complement approach. 234 into 99. See here, sir. 234 into 99. Step number 1. Start from the rightmost. 99. How many 9's are there? 2 9's are there. Keep a slash after 2 digits. Keep a slash after 2 digits. Left side there is 2. Add 1 to that number. Add 1 to that number. 3. Subtracted from the original number. 231. 234 into 99. Start from the rightmost. Slash is based on the number of 9's. Slash is based on the number of 9's. Left side, first keep a slash. Work with the left of the slash, work with the right of the slash. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is subtracted from 234, 231. 100 minus 34, 66. I will tell you a better logic here. Right? First keep a slash. Work with the left of the slash. Then work with the right of the slash. Work with the keep a slash. Work with the left of the slash and work with the right of the slash. 23166. Next example, see here. Next slide, we will discuss in detail what is the optimal technique. 234 into 99. This is 234. Step number 1. Keep a slash after 2 digits. Keeping a slash clear. Left side, whatever digit is there, add 1 to it. Add 1 to it. 2 plus 1 is 3. Subtracted from the entire number 231. 99. Now to the right side, every digit is 9 minus, unit digit is 6 minus. What is 9 minus 3? 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Every digit to the right side of slash. To the right side of slash. Every digit is 9 minus. Every digit is 9 minus. Except unit digit is 10 minus. Except unit digit is 10 minus. Please make a note of it. First we will do few examples. 3457 into 999. 3457 into 999. This is 3. Slash 457. 3. Add 1. It is 4. 4 is subtracted from 3457. 3453. To the right side of slash, every digit is 9 minus. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Unit digit is 10 minus. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Proof. Why it is happening like this? 234 into 99 is 100 minus 1. This is nothing but 23400 minus 234. Minus 234. See here, 0 will not go, so carry. So D is becoming, I hope it is becoming, D is becoming 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 or 4 minus 3, both are same. I hope it is clear why we are adding with 1. So what we are doing is, I am taking carry 1. So 4 is becoming 3. 3 minus 2 or 4 minus 3. 4 decrease 1 or increase 1 to 2. Both are same. Both are same. I hope it is clear why it is becoming 10 minus. The unit digit is becoming 10 minus. Am I right? The leftmost, it is taking carry. It is receiving 10, giving 1. So 9 minus 3. I hope it is clear. Unit digit why it is 10 minus, and every other digit it is 9 minus. Idea clear, right? Idea clear? So I think this example, if you just open 99 as 100 minus 1, you will understand it clearly. Various examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into 5 nines. Into 5 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 nines. Keep a slash. Add 1 to the left side of the slash. 1 plus 1 is 2. Subtract it from the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Every digit to the right side it is 9 minus. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. I hope it is clear. D. 871 into 199. Put a star mark on this one, sir. You may get a doubt here. 871 into 99. 871. 871 into 99. 99 contains 2 nines. Keep a slash. Add 1. So 9 is not subtracted from 71. 9 is subtracted from 871. 871 minus 9. 862. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 1, 9. 86229. 86229. I hope the idea is clear. One more doubt you might get. 345 into 4 nines. If the number of nines are more, 345 into 4 nines. 345. Add 2 zeros and the prefix 2 zeros. 4 nines. Keep a slash here. 0 plus 1 is 1. 345 minus 1. 344. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 5, 5. I hope the idea is clear. If the number of nines are more than this number, right? Or 9 cannot go from 1. 9 is subtracted from 871. 9 is subtracted from 871. 9 is subtracted from 871. A, B, C, D and E. Right? Few examples we'll solve. Then we will conclude it. 123 into 99. 1 slash 23. So it is 129. 9 minus 2, 10 minus 3. 12177. Please write down a point. Right? Multiply any number. Multiply any number with 9 or multiples of 9. Or multiples of 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. 99, it is multiple of 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. Multiply any number with 9 or multiples of 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. First example. Second one. 3457 into 999. Into 999. One more to explain this point. 3 slash 457. 3 plus 1, 4. Which is 3453. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4. 10 minus 7. 3453 543. 3453 543. 5 plus 4 out. 5 plus 4 out. 3 plus 3 plus 3 out. Multiply any number with 9 or multiples of 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. I hope it is clear. Third example, speed equivalent to distance by time. Distance is nothing but speed into time. Speed into time. Speed into time. Now see here. Actual speed is 1000 meter per second. Speed decreases by 0.1 percentage. So time it will take is 342 seconds. Actual speed is 1000 meter per second. So this will be, time will be 342 seconds. Find the distance. Find the distance. Now see here. This is nothing but speed. Final speed will become 0.1 percentage means it is nothing but 1 by 1000. 1 decrease. So final speed will become 999. Speed into time. 999 into 342. 342 prefix 0. So answer is 341. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 4, 9, 10 minus 2, 8. 341648. I hope it is clear. So this will become 1000. This is nothing but the reduction, sir. This is nothing but the reduction. 1000 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 100. 1 decrease. 1000 1 decrease. Final speed will become 999. Final speed will become 999. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear to you. Type number 3. Type number 3. How to multiply any two numbers. Right, we discussed how to multiply numbers by 5 power k. We discussed how to multiply numbers by series of 9s. We discussed. Type number 4. Type number 4. Type number 4. How to multiply numbers. How to multiply numbers which are closer to each other. How to multiply numbers which are closer to each other. How to multiply numbers which are closer to each other. First one, 96 into 97. 96 into 97. 96 is nearer to. Both the numbers are nearer to 100. 96 is 4 less than 100. 97 is 3 less than 100. Cross addition. 96 minus 3, 93. 97 minus 4, 93. Into base is 100. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12. So answer is 9312. 96 is 4 less than 100. 97 is 3 less than 100. Cross addition do. 96 minus 3 is 93. 97 minus 4 also 93. Cross addition, result should be same. 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 Next one, 39 into 42. 39 into 42. Both the numbers are nearer to multiple of 10, 40. 39 is 1 less than 40. 42 is 2 more than 40. Cross addition, 41. Into base is 40. Minus into plus minus. 2 ones are 2. 1640 minus 2. Answer is 1638. Answer is 1638. C. 104 into 107. Both are nearer to 100. 104 is 4 more than, 7 more than. Cross addition result should be same. 111 into 100. 4 7s are 28. So answer is 11128. Answer is 11128. 96 is 4 less than 100, 97 is 3 less than 100. 93 into 100 plus 12. This is cross addition result. This is the base value and the product of this. Minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12. Cross addition 41. Base is 40. Minus into plus minus 2. Right? Suppose if the numbers are far from each other, you can still use these logic. You can still use these logic. The logic is, suppose if it is 17 into 71. 17 into 71. The best way is 71 is 70 plus 1. 1190 plus 17. This is the best method. Method 2. In case if you want to use 17 and 71. This is the another method which we discussed. Method number 3. 17 into 71. Make the numbers closer to each other. Multiply the numerator by 4. 68 into 61. Minus 3 and plus 1. 69 into 70 minus 3. Divide this by 4. I multiplied it by 4 and I divided it by 4. What is the concept that I am using? A into B is A into C into B. I am dividing it by C. You can also use that method. It all depends upon your comfort zone. You can use any method that is of your choice. Any method that is of your choice. I hope the idea is clear. Idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear to you. Next one. Right? Only on speed calculation. This is session number 3. Entire day I am spending time on speed calculation, so that no student will tell me in future that, sir, my calculation time is very slow. Whatever the class has happened, watch it, revise it, take your own numerical value. Take your own numerical value. Next one. Type 5. Type 5. Type 5. Now see here. Always see here. Suppose multiply numbers. How to multiply numbers with a series of ones. How to multiply numbers with a series of ones. First example, 23 into 11. In this example, we will discuss the concept. 23, 11 is 10 plus 1. This is nothing but 230 plus 23. Am I right? It is 253. 253. Now see here. 23 into 11. 23 into 11. First see here. Write down the unit digit as it is, or prefix 1 0. I will tell you why am I prefixing 0. Prefixing 0, the value will not change. Write down 3 as it is. Because there are 2 ones, start from the rightmost. Take a group of 2 digits. What is 2 plus 3? 5. Again, what is 0 plus 2? 2. 253. Because once 2 ones are there, take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits from right hand side and add them. Take a group of 2 digits from right hand side and add them, because there are 2 ones are there. 2 ones are there. Start from the rightmost. Take a group of 2 digits and add them. First write down 3. 2 plus unit digit, write down as it is. Now, why am I writing unit digit as it is? 0 plus 3 is 3. What is happening here? 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? One I am doing like this, another I am doing like this. 3. What is 3 plus 2? 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. Answer is 253. 758 into 111. Because there are 3 ones, keep 2 zeros at the beginning. 758. Write down the unit digit as it is. Take a group of 3 digits and add it. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 0, 2 over. Next, take the next group. 12 plus 2, 14, 4, 1 over. 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. I hope the idea is clear. If triple ones are there, take a group of, if 3 ones are there, take a group of 3 digits. If 4 ones are there, take a group of 4 digits and add them. 758. 8 is written like this. Right? 8 is written like this. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. So it is 0, 2 carried. I hope it is clear. 2 carried. 3 ones. Keep 2 zeros at the beginning. One more example we will do. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 ones. 4 ones means keep 3 zeros at the beginning. Into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is written like this. 4 ones. 4 ones is take a group of 4 digits. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carried. This is written. Next 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. This is over. Next 4. 1 plus 2, 3. Next 4. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. 1. 13704. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat till here. Any doubts you got? Any doubts you got, kindly reply in the live chat. Right after the class, kindly revise it. As I told you, from tomorrow, no non-enrolled students can watch any class. No non-enrolled students can watch the class in YouTube. Can watch the class in YouTube. We are not going to run YouTube live. All our classes will run in our web app or in the mobile app. All our classes will run in the web app or in the mobile app. By tonight, I will send you the class, how to access the class process. How to access the class process, I will send it to only to enrolled students. So that you can watch the class. So from tomorrow, 28th April till Sunday, there will be no YouTube live classes. Because a lot of my enrolled students, I need to give them some privileged access. A student cannot access right after a certain point of a time. You cannot watch web series in Amazon Prime. After 15 minutes of time, you cannot watch the live telecast that is happening in an Hotstar and everything. Same is the model. I hope it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 ones. Write down one more. Now, some important observations. Please write down. Some important observations. First observation. Observation 1. If you observe 11 square is 121. If you observe 101 square, between 2 digits there is a 0. Between 2 digits there is a 0. Between 2 digits there is a 0. 1001 square. Between 2 digits there are 2 zeros. Between 2 digits there are 2 zeros. I hope the logic is clear. 10001 square. Between 2 digits there are 3 zeros. Between 2 digits, right? I hope it is clear. 10002 2001, right? I hope the idea is clear. Priya, you can call me after the class. We will discuss more, right? Because there are few more problems which I will take in polynomial equations. There you will understand it better. I am defining today that algebra questions where left hand side is not equivalent to right hand side. Left hand side is not equivalent to right hand side. If there is any possibility, then we will solve in polynomial equations using root theorem, using law of Descartes signs, so on and so forth. Right? Next one. Observation 1. Between two digits keep a 0. Right hand side also between two digits keep a 0. Observation 1. Same observation 2 also in cubes. Observation 2. 11 cube is 1331. 101 cube. These is nothing but between two zeros there is a 0. Please write down. 11 cube add 1001 cube. So if it is 1001 cube, two zeros. 100, 300, 3001. 3001. I hope it is clear. Observation 1 and observation 2. Observation 3. Observation 3. Observation 3. Squares of the numbers containing only 3's, only 6, only 9's. Squares of the numbers containing only 3's, only 6, only 9. 3 square is 9, which is 0, 9. 33 square. 33 square is 3 square is 0, 9. One more 3 is there. Keep a slash here, keep a slash. This 1 less than this number. This 1 more than this number. 333 square. Digit which is repeated is 3. 3 square is 0, 9. 2 digits. 2 more 3's are there. Keep slash, keep slash. This 1 less than this number. This 1 more than this number. Suppose 4 3's are there. 3 square is 0, 9. There are 3's. Slash, 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 slash. 1 less than this number. 1 more than this number. Suppose if it is 6 square is 36. 66 square. 6 square is 36. 1 more 6 is there. Slash, slash. These 1 less than, these 1 more than. 666 square. 6 square is 36. 2 more 6 are there. 2 slashes, 2 slashes. These 1 less than, these 1 more than. I hope the idea is clear. Some pattern, some important patterns. Patterns matching for 3, 6, 9. 9 square is 81. 99 square, 81, slash, slash. 1 less than 1, 1 more than 1. 999 square. 9 square is 81. 998 001. 998 001. I hope the idea is clear. 3 square is 9. 9 is in a 2-digit format. 09. 33 square. Digit repeated is 3. 3 square is 9. 1 more 3 is there. So keep a slash, keep a slash. These 1 less than, these 1 more than. 3 square is 09. 2 more 3's are there. Keep 2 slashes, 2 slashes. 1 less than, 1 more than. 3 more 3's are there. 1 less than, 1 more than. 1 less than and 1 more than. I hope the idea is clear. 1 less than and 1 more than. I hope the idea is clear. Now see here.